In the past few months, this anonymous YouTube channel has raked in over $25,000 in a few months from posting these straightforward motivational videos. Believe it or not, it kicked off just about 6 months back. Many of the videos have over 100,000 views, and since the videos are all 20 to 50 minutes, you can imagine the incredible revenue he is making in less than a year. I will show you that you can easily do the same. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through precisely how you can launch your very own YouTube automation channel using this technique. If you stick around till the end of this video, you'll possess all the know-how required to jumpstart your own YouTube automation enterprise. We'll cover everything from crafting logos, scripting, and of course, creating our debut video together. By the time this video wraps up, you'll practically be a YouTube automation professional. To back up my claims, here's a snippet of a video I whipped up in 15 minutes that outshines the videos of the creator.
Enough is enough. How long will you let your potential remain dormant? Don't let another day pass without being able to say, I gave it my all.
I've got one final piece of wisdom to drop at the end of this video, which I gained from my experience running multiple anonymous YouTube channels. It'll set you up to actually profit from managing such a channel. That's what you're here for, right? People usually spend thousands for this info by buying courses, but I'm giving it all away for free, so pay attention. For your convenience, I'll include a Google Doc in the description with a detailed blueprint you can follow along. To design our logo, we'll need an image editor of your choice and an AI image generator. I'll be using Leonardo AI and Canva. Let's go back to ChatGPT and ask for a design idea for the logo. Once you've got that, request a text prompt to generate the images in an image generator. Don't forget to mention that it's a Stoicism and Wisdom themed channel with a Stoic philosopher sculpture on the logo. Now head over to Leonardo AI, click on Image Generation on the left, and set the image dimensions to 800 by 800. I'll choose the Leonardo photo effect since it's one of my favorites. Paste your logo prompt from ChatGPT and hit generate a few times. Voila, our logo is ready. Just download the one you like. Now head to Canva and create a project. Set the dimensions to 800 by 800. Upload the logo we just created in Leonardo AI and make it fit the dimensions. Just download and go back to YouTube Studio to upload it. Alright, now we're all set to dive into the video creation process. If I were just another guru, I'd suggest you use ChatGPT to generate the script. However, ChatGPT isn't great at script writing and tends to produce generic scripts that don't engage viewers. But don't worry, I've got a secret weapon for us, DubDub. It's an all-in-one AI tool with countless uses. You'll find the link to DubDub in the description along with the Google Doc. Let's get started. Alright, let's delve into the first method. Once you've signed up, you'll land on the homepage. Click on AI Voiceover right here. Unlike ChatGPT, this feature can churn out scripts that truly have viral potential and sound human-written. Now type in write a script for a video titled Top 10 Rules of Stoicism. Hit the Ask AI to Write button. Within moments, you'll have a stellar script ready to roll. You can then tweak any parts of the script as you wish. However, there's another, shall we say, interesting way to crafting a viral script. Here's where we combine two tools, DubDub and ChatGPT. Generally speaking, the simplest route is to utilize scripts that have already proven their viral worth, because we can see that they reached a large audience in the past. So let's head to the channel I showcased earlier in the video. Sort the videos by popularity. Right-click on their top-performing video and copy the link. Now back to DubDub. On the home page, click on transcription, then paste the link. In moments, you'll have the video script. This method is by far the most efficient way to obtain a script from a video. Copy that script and head to ChatGPT. Let's use this prompt. I will provide you with a video script from one of my previous videos. Your task is to rephrase the script, altering the word order slightly while maintaining the same writing and articulation style. Paste the script. I do claim the script is mine because ChatGPT won't cooperate if you outright state it belongs to someone else. And here's the kicker, folks. I'm pretty confident the video's author did the exact same thing. Anyway, I'm just dropping some ideas here. Personally, I'll grab the rephrase script from ChatGPT, and we're set to move on to the next step. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to drop a like and a comment to boost the algorithm. Back to DubDub's homepage, head to the audio section and paste our script. I advise you to go for a low male voice, like this one for example.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl.
After configuring the settings, hit export and opt for the MP3 audio format. Another handy tool DubDub offers is talking avatars. You could utilize this feature to create the avatar for various purposes without ever needing a camera. I'll include the link in the Google Doc just in case. Alright, let's dive into crafting our visuals. Let's head back to ChatGPT and ask for some visuals for our narrative. Specifically, we'll prompt it to generate 10 text prompts tailored for Leonardo AI. Next, onto Leonardo AI. Simply create an account, link provided in the description. Navigate to image generation here, then select photoreal model. Now paste in the first prompt from ChatGPT, add hyper-realistic at the end of the prompt for an extra touch of realism. Hit generate. and you'll see it's delivered something quite impressive. As you can see, the result is astonishingly lifelike. Let's download this image. Now here's a neat trick. Click on Image Guidance. Upload the picture we just downloaded. This way, Leonardo AI will strive to maintain consistency in style and theme across the images. Back to ChatGPT. Paste in the script for the next picture. This is the ultimate trick when crafting a storyline and aiming for a cohesive set of images. Start compiling your collection. Copy and paste each prompt from ChatGPT, ensuring to include hyper-realistic in each one. Now let's breathe life into these pictures to elevate our video. We'll utilize Leonardo's inbuilt animation tool for this task. Head to Personal Feed here, click on Image, and you'll spot the magic button right here that adds motion. Simply click on it, adjust the motion to around 3 to 5, and hit Generate. Check this out. Now we've got animated images in mere moments. Now with these AI tools, we can animate images, craft scripts, and generate voiceovers within seconds. Repeat this process for all the images and download them. And just like that, our B-roll footage is sorted. So now we've got the script and the voiceover thanks to DubDub, and we've used GPT to conjure up image prompts for Leonardo. But if you feel like something's missing, it's probably because we need music. To find a top-notch track that's copyright-free, meaning you can use it for free on YouTube, head over to Pixabay. You'll uncover a plethora of options. I stumbled upon one that suits this video perfectly. Simply download the track you fancy. Alright, let's piece it all together now. Your preferred editing software can be used for this task. Personally, I lean towards CapCut. Start by creating a new project file and ensuring the aspect ratio is set to 16:9 by hitting Modify on the right side. Import the voiceover from DubDub, along with all animated pictures and the music. Now, on to editing the voiceover. You'll notice several pauses that will severely decrease the amount of views we get. To maintain engagement, we need to eliminate these pauses. Click on the voiceover track, drag the cursor to the end of each pause, and split it using the split button or Control/Command+B. Delete the empty sections and close the gap by dragging the voiceover. Repeat this process throughout. I'll accelerate this part. Next, place all the pictures from Leonardo AI on the timeline and add a simple transition between them. Choose black fade from the transitions, adjusting the duration to about 0.3. Apply this transition to all the clips. We will loop the visuals to match the audio length since people don't pay much attention to the visual. These kinds of videos are more about the voiceover, so it really doesn't matter that much. Now let's add some effects to make it look cool. Type in black noise in the effects section on the top of the screen and drag it onto the timeline and adjust it to around 25. For color grading, add an adjustment layer as shown on the screen. Adjust brightness and enhance saturation. Apply the low-key filter for added effect. Let's loop it. Now let's fine-tune audio settings, add captions, and handle exporting. Adjust voice volume to 2.5 and music volume to around -17. For captions, use auto captions and customize them accordingly. Time to export. Select 60 FPS in 1080p settings and export. Lastly, upload the video, optimize it for search, and create a thumbnail. So head to your channel and hit upload, selecting your video. While it's uploading, let's craft our thumbnail. Return to Leonardo AI and export one of your favorite images. I'll go with this one. Now head to Canva and make some tweaks. In the search bar, type YouTube thumbnail and create the project file. You'll provide the correct dimensions. Import your image. Set the background color to black. Remove the background from the image. Add a text box for your title, adjusting the size and color to match. Looks good, download it, and upload it to YouTube Studio. Now let's handle the SEO before diving into monetization. Visit vidIQ, my go-to tool for SEO and research. Click on AI Coach and ask for a list of trending keywords for a Stoic-related video on YouTube. Copy the list and insert it into the tags box. Let's also address the title and description. Copy the title from the video from a viral channel in your niche. Paste it into vidIQ AI Coach for enhancement. Then, generate a suitable description using trending keywords. Copy and paste everything, and we're set to move on. Now hit publish, and our debut video is live. Again, all the helpful links will be in the description, along with the Google Doc. Like I said, information in this video is worth thousands of dollars, but here you have everything laid out for free. Leave a like on this video to help me break the algorithm. Now let's discuss money. How do we monetize this channel? Well, there are a few avenues. Firstly, we can meet the 1K subscribers and 4K watch hours requirement for monetization after a few uploads. Because these kind of videos are lengthy and target intelligent adults, we'll hit those requirements quickly due to the video's length, so the watch hours will build up quickly. With more watch hours comes higher revenue from YouTube. Additionally, the RPM will be very high due to the audience type. As a monetized creator myself, I can assure you that shortly after launch, we're looking at a decent monthly income stream, easily reaching a couple of $1,000 per month. Another great way to make money from a channel like this is to do affiliate marketing for other companies. You could sell related Amazon products or partner up with a brand. This way, you will receive commissions for every sale made through someone watching your video. The possibilities are endless. And last but not least, you can create your own merchandise store using something like Shopify. You could create t-shirts, hats, or even digital products like ebooks and simply link them in the pinned comments of your video. Setting up a shop like this is actually incredibly simple. With millions of views, there's a good chance that some of those viewers will become raving fans, loving your merchandise and potentially being interested in shopping with you. So if you've enjoyed this video and appreciate the AI education, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this and share this video to help someone out. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to utilize the Google Doc below for the comprehensive step-by-step guide. See y'all soon.